Okay, now we got it clamped down. We've got it underneath the light. So now we're going to attempt to desolder this. Sorry, had to get my other clamp here just to add some weight. So now we need to take and desolder these two connections right here. So we're going to take our iron and dip it in our cleaner. And even though we're desoldering, I need to put a little bit of solder on the tip for the heat transfer. And we'll see if I can do this. I'm hovering over the camera at the same time. Okay, there's one side loose. Sorry about that. And there's the other side loose. Okay? Okay, now we need to prep our wire for soldering. Take the stripper. See if you can see that. I'll try to get this camera around here a little better so I can. Okay, pull that off. This is microsurgery. Okay, so we got it to this point here. So now I want to strip the other part. So get the same strippers. And there's the wire stripped. So that's where the little magnetic holder comes into place. We'll just hold this. And I'll come in here. I'm going to just tin the wire. I have that iron a little hot. Now I'm going to trim them down to some halfway manageable pieces here. Okay. That piece is ready to go. We can solder that onto the plug. Okay, we're back. Now you will notice that there's a resistor on here, right here. That's going to be where your positive wire is going to attach, just like that right there. Okay, so don't get them mixed up because it won't work. So now I'm doing this, reaching my arm through the center of the tripod of the camera. Wish me luck here. Thank goodness for editing, huh? Here's one side. Okay, there you go. Take this out of the holder. There's the two wires soldered on. So now we need to put it all back together. I'm going to take this plastic piece that we took off right here. I'm going to put all this back together. Now I had this little metal piece that fell. So it's going to go like this. Just like that. And then this is going to go like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take this white piece down, and it's going to be my new strain relief. Might not be what they intended, but this is what I'm doing. Bend that over. All 4 of these. Excuse me. Okay, and then bend these 2. You can go buy shrink wrap and you can put this back just the way you wanted. Okay, now I'm holding this just like this. So we're going to get this little clip. There's the little line. We'll put this together, and there you go. So take the nut and screw it back up on there. You can see the strainer lift just sticks out the end right there, just a little bit. So now you have completely repaired the Countryman microphone, and that's what always happens to them. They always break right there. If you take your time, I mean, I'm half blind, I gotta wear glasses, I got big old thick fingers and all, but if you take your time, you can do this. It's not a problem. This is one that I repaired on the bench, so we'll unplug this one one-handed again. Okay. Put this on my head. Check, 2, check, 1, 2, check, 1, 2. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, check, 1, 2, check, 1, 2, 1, 2. And there you go. That is a repaired Countryman headset. These wires are small inside, but these things are actually pretty easy to repair. So there you go. If you have any questions about repairing these microphones, leave me a comment below. Come to my website, rickcperry.com, and you can subscribe to my feed burner. Give me a thumbs up, a like if you're watching this on Facebook, and appreciate you watching.